Yo, special delivery from OMGBUILDS BMW. Keep coming.
Yeah, baby.
Look at that beauty. Oh, the reason why I didn't ride this home was because I had flip-flops when I went shopping for this thing. Look at this. This is Robert, the coolest sales guy ever. If you guys want to get one, OMGBUILDS right here in orange. Look at this guy, dude. It's always so sketch to freaking see these things loaded. I don't know how you do it, but I trust you because you can get me another one if you drop it, right?
Yeah, let me do all the heavy lifting.
I ain't touching that, man. This is so cool. Yo, I'm so excited for this, dude. I'm so excited for this. This is the carbon package?
Yes, carbon package.
Carbon package.
As well as the front fender is an additional option.
Ooh,
it's
and that's...
standalone piece.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I got like a fancy package. I got carbon wheels. And this isn't like the M1000. There's a totally different monster bike for that. And the reason why I didn't get the M1000 is I'm gonna ride this on the street, and riding race bikes on the street, it's not as fun as you guys would absolutely think. Oh, whoa, look at that. Even protect the grips.
Canyon Dancer.
Whoa. Okay. I wouldn't trust myself to do this, to be honest. I just leave it up to the pros. I have seen a lot of comical loading videos and drops.
Oh yeah. So you're gonna have some YouTube gold either way.
Yo, man, this is so trippy. Look at this. Robert was like, "You have a slope on your driveway, right?" I'm like, "I think so."
Oh, you're making it easy on me. This is rad.
This is easy. Have you ever dropped one?
Not yet.
Not yet. Have you ever dropped your bike like this?
Not yet.
Not yet. All right, cool. You got a good track record. Oh, you got like a chalk up there.
Oh yeah.
Let me know if you need help. I'm not gonna bug you.
It's actually better if one person, fight each other.
Yeah. Oh, so sick, dude. If you guys are curious how much these things are, I think MSRP is like 32, 31 for this model.
For this and change.
Yeah, for this one. You can get a base one that's like 19.
Yeah, closer to 20. But
Closer
you're
to 20.
Sacrifice a lot.
Yeah, look at that. Buy ones, cry ones. I mean, I'm probably gonna put carbon wheels anyway, so I was just like, might as well get this, and I'm gonna buy all the carbon bits. You're gonna upgrade the rear sets. You're gonna do all sorts of things. You're gonna buy levers. Yeah, just get this one.
We're missing one piece.
What?
Put it on there. With the lever guard, I can't do the...
Oh, the lever guard.
I got that in the truck.
Yeah.
But at the dealership,
Yeah?
this build, we coined the Baller Edition.
The Baller Edition.
Even on the folders, we write Baller Edition. It is every factory option possible.
Wow. Okay, yeah. See? Oh, look, the calipers. Then I look like spoon caliper colors. That's so sick. First thing is gonna go is the reflectors. All right. The rear pegs, because I'm not trying to carry passengers right now. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut down the exhaust in half. I'll show you guys that whole thing, but this is pretty sick.